Caravan Salon 2018. This is Carado's Vlow 600. It's a comparatively new van onto the market. It's got a price there of €43,774. And let's have a look at some of its what it calls its highlights. So well, in the environment has inside 130 horsepower standard. Oh yes, of course, there's 110 horsepower van, and it's got a 90-litre fridge. So 2.3 litre Fiat chassis or engine. Let's have a look inside. So you can see it's got a 6-speed gearbox. We'll sit down here. Have a look at the back. Fridge, as you can see, is in front of me. And I think this is quite a convenient position for the fridge. The reason is this, is when you come into the van, you know, what I tend to do is I tend to stick my cold stuff on the, I stick everything on the floor, cold stuff on the floor, then it all goes there together into the fridge whilst I can. So, I mean, it's easy to put it there and bring it all in. But anyway, that's a minor point. Okay, we've got a table here, which sort of extends by about, what, a quarter, comes out. You may think the table isn't very big, but the van isn't very long. We'll have a look at the dimensions, if they are available, as I leave. They've got a very large bed here at the back, made up of 3 mattresses. And we've got storage all the way around, 2 rear windows. Look into the bathroom now. I was at the Carado factory in June, 3 months ago, or 2.5 months ago, and I've got my Carado here shirt on, you see, a jumper on, polo. So I get my languages mixed up a lot today. Fleece, and you can see, capron, and this is my present I got from them, and I think it's great. Anyway, I'm not into doing reviews of fleeces, but I've got to say that this, when I was out walking in the hills in Sachsen, Switzerland, this was absolutely brilliant. Anyway, that apart. Fridge, oh sorry, fridge. Sink. I'm making lots of words wrong. You can see other films I did today, and I'm getting words wrong. Right, that's a sink, not a fridge. Sink is quite large. Oh, you can hear this racketing in the hall outside, which means I'm going to have to go into a different hall because I can't have this on a film. Right, so here we've got the kitchen. You've got 2 burners, as I think you'd expect in a van like this, and you've got a smallish sink, but you know, there's not much room here, so that's to be understood. And under that you've got some nice drawers. Let's have a look around the outside. Okay, right, here's the detail. So it's 6 meters long, this is probably obvious from inside. Internal standing height is 190. The width is 205, it's on a Fiat Ducato, I think that was relatively obvious as well. And internal standing height is sorry, what am I talking about? Internal standing is 190, and the height is 265. Right, so the ready to go is, that's to say, the empty weight will be about 2,490, something like that, and 2,500. Okay, whatever. And you've got 635 kilos of payload, so it's quite a lot, really. Oh, sorry, the kick-off price is €36,000. I had to point that out, and these are other things, which are the extras. So the 2.3 litre 130 horsepower comes as standard, but then you've got the metallic grey, so you've got the alu hubcaps, you've Oh, there's something here called Wohnwelt Arctica. Now, I don't know what that means. It's 199 euros, so it can't be something to do with too much extra insulation. Anyway, I think I have to find out that. But you've got there the extra packets as well, chassis comfort packet and the basic packet, chassis packet. Okay, so we didn't want them things. It would cost about 8,000 euros less. So it's a relatively economic van. That's quite good. Right, I'm going to have copyright problems if I continue to film in here because of the use of music by others, not by Carado. That racket's coming from another stand. Good, so if you found that relatively interesting, see my film from the Carado factory in Neustadt in Sachsen. It is really very, I'm not saying the film's any good, but what I'm filming is very good.